Hello friends! They say that when someone falls in love, they don't always express it in words. Rather, their actions speak louder. Especially when a girl starts liking someone, she won't directly say, "I like you" or "I have feelings for you." Instead, she will try to make you feel her emotions through her behavior, gestures, and expressions. The problem is that most guys fail to recognize these subtle signals. They remain confused, wondering whether the girl is just being friendly or if there's something more. If you've ever been in this situation and want to know if a girl likes you, then watch this video till the end. But before we begin, if you're new to our channel, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an exciting and informative video from us. So, let's get started. If a girl likes you, she will always find reasons to be around you and glance at you repeatedly. However, girls usually don't stare directly. They do it smartly, in a way that doesn't seem obvious. If you often visit a particular place like a park, rooftop, or library, she might start showing up there more frequently. She might use excuses like talking on the phone, drying clothes, or even saying she's struggling with a network issue, just to be in your presence. When you look at her, she may quickly look away, but a few seconds later, she'll glance at you again. This is a clear sign of attraction. She wants you to notice her without making it too obvious. When a girl starts liking a guy, her behavior and body language change noticeably. If she's usually shy, she might become a bit more talkative around you. If she's outgoing, she may suddenly start blushing or behaving more reservedly. She will frequently adjust her hair, fix her clothes, or try to present herself in the best way possible. Sometimes she will laugh loudly or talk animatedly with her friends just to get your attention. If you observe these changes in her behavior when you're around, there's a high chance she's interested in you. Girls don't pay close attention to just anyone. They listen carefully only when they genuinely like someone. If she remembers little things you've said before, like your favorite singer or movie, and brings them up later, it's a major sign. If she notices when you're feeling down and asks, "Are you okay? You seem a little off today," she truly cares about you. She will genuinely listen to your stories, laugh at your jokes, even the lame ones, and encourage you to talk more. If a girl takes such a deep interest in your life, it's not just a coincidence. She really likes you. When a girl likes someone, she subconsciously begins to adopt their likes and dislikes. If you're a cricket fan and she was never interested in the sport before but suddenly starts watching matches, that's a big sign. If you mention you love black-colored outfits and she starts wearing black more often, it's not just a random choice. It's her way of impressing you. Even in music, movies, or food preferences, she will start aligning her interests with yours to create more common ground between you. This is her way of subtly saying, "Look, we have so much in common." Girls only get nervous in front of someone when they care about how they appear to them. If she fidgets with her fingers, adjusts her clothes repeatedly, or plays with her hair while talking to you, it means she's a little anxious but excited to be around you. She might look into your eyes for a second and then quickly look away, showing a mix of confidence and shyness. If she suddenly laughs a lot more in your presence, even at small jokes, it's because she enjoys your company and wants to make a good impression. If you ever notice her acting a little different when you're around, she's definitely into you. A girl who likes you will always try to increase the amount of time she spends with you. If you are in a group, she will slowly start positioning herself closer to you. If you work or study together, she will find excuses to sit next to you or collaborate on projects. Even when there's no specific reason, she will start small conversations just to keep talking to you for longer. If she's making an effort to be around you often, it's no accident. She enjoys your presence and wants you to notice her. One of the biggest signs that a girl likes you is when she laughs a lot at your jokes, even if they aren't that funny. She wants you to feel good about yourself and enjoy talking to her. She might also tease you playfully or make small jokes about you just to keep the conversation going. If she's always smiling and laughing when you talk, it's her way of showing that she enjoys being around you. If a girl is showing these signs, stealing glances, acting differently around you, remembering your words, aligning with your interests, or getting nervous in your presence, chances are she likes you. Love and attraction aren't always expressed through words. Sometimes they are hidden in small gestures, eye contact, and subtle behaviors. If you found this video helpful, Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content. Comment below and let us know which point you found the most relatable. See you in the next video. Until then, take care and remember, love is a beautiful feeling, but you need the right perspective to understand it.